Hey Soul Family, today is day 2 of the 10-day Muffin Top Toning Challenge. We're gonna have a great time, so let's get into it. This is gonna be a standing core workout for a slimmer waist, so we have 4 exercises for you. I will go over them for you right now, and then we'll jump into the sets. First, we're starting off with some high knees. Stand up nice and tall, core is tight. We're just focusing on driving our knees up high. You can have a base down here or something. Target aim for with your hands. You can keep your arms out straight like this. You can keep your arms here, wherever you prefer. Next, we have knee to elbow crunches. There's different variations for this, so choose which one works for you. We are focusing on hands behind our head, and we're focusing on driving our elbows to our knee. You can do a side elbow to knee like this, or you can cross over like that, whichever you prefer. Change them up for the sets, whatever you want. Next, we have high knee twists. I know we just did high knees. We're just gonna focus now on, as you drive that knee up, we're gonna twist over to the side, really target our obliques. Almost becomes like a Muay Thai knee. But focus on standing up nice and tall. As this knee drives up, we're twisting over to the side, just like that. And last, we have some foot taps. Again, different variations. Choose your fighter. You can start with just keeping it simple. Again, core is tight and just hinging from your knee. So you're just bringing your foot to you. Or you can kind of extend it almost into like a kick crunch. Still, knees are bent, but we're just extending, really focusing on getting that crunch. Or you can even elongate. As you can see, I'm twisting over. Use whichever form works for you. Without further ado, let's jump into our first real set. High knees, 3, 2, 1, go. Again, just focus on driving them as high as you can. Keep your back flat. Really want to feel it in your core here. Helps work on your balance, your stability, everything. Keep a nice tempo going. And down. Next, we have those knee to elbow crunches. I'm going to focus on the side crunches. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. Really drive. Really pull on over. You want to feel it in your obliques. For this variation, really make sure your knees coming up from the side. If you're doing like the bicycle variation, make sure your knees are coming straight, almost into those high knee manners. But again, choose whichever one works for you. These are a little more tougher for me, so I go with this. And down. Great job. Getting back into those high knees, we have the high knees twist. 30 seconds, and here we go. Bring the knee up, twist over to the side. Your hands acts as a guide to make sure you're getting that full rotation. Think as if you're trying to reach into your pocket, just like that. You go at your own pace. You should be feeling it in your lower core. I mean, your legs are gonna be tired too, but it's all gonna work out. And down. Great job. Shake out your legs, your arms. Last, we have those foot taps. 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. Really pull with your core. I'm feeling it right here. We want that slimmer waist. These are exercises that help do that. And again, if this is too easy for you, no worries. Just focus on extending, really reaching. Just like this. And done. Great job. First set is done. Grab water if you need to. If not, we're gonna go right into set number 2. Let's get it. High knees, 3, 2, 1, go. Knee to elbow crunch. 3, 2, 1, go. High knees twist. 3, 2, 1, go. Foot taps. 3, 2, 1, go. Great job, second set done. You are crushing day 2 of this Muffin Top toning workout. We have one more set to go. Grab some water if you need to, but if not, we're jumping right in. Let's finish strong, let's get it. High knees, 3, 2, 1, go. Knee to elbow crunch. 3, 2, 1, go. High knees twist. 3, 2, 1, go. Foot taps. 3, 2, 1, go. And there you have it. That was your 10-day Muffin Top toning workout. We have day 2 completed. Hopefully you feel like you have a slimmer waist. Like I said, it's completely standing. I am tired, but hopefully you enjoyed that. Click the notification bell to stay on top of any new videos dropping, and also tune in tomorrow with Coach Gabby for day 3. Let's keep the train rolling. You guys are crushing it. Let's get it. I'll see you in the next video. Peace. Enjoy the day.